leaders who are to be obeyed, leaders who are ordained of God because you are in power, leaders who are there to execute judgment to the wicked, to the evil. Listen, do not thwart the judgment of God. Romans chapter 13, 3 and 4. For rulers are not terror to good works, but to the evil. Wilt thou not be afraid of the power? Do that which is good, and thou shalt have the praise of the same. You are a minister of God for good, for the good. But if thou do that which is evil, be afraid. For he beareth not the sword in vain. For you are a minister of God, a revenger to execute wrath upon him that doeth evil. And the judgment of God will fall upon those who will thwart the judgment for the people. Ayaw gyud ninyo baligtara. Paghihimo ninyo na, God will judge you. What happened to Herod? What happened to Herod Antipas, Herod the Great? What happened to Jezebel can happen to you. Timanin ninyo, samtang niya'y appointed son of God dinhi, ang dautan dili mohari. Dili mi mahadlok sa dautan. Isaray among ikadlukan ang Diyos lang ug ang pagkamaayo.